Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have studied about the irrigation. Till 4th of the agriculture practices, we have completed. Now, in this class, we will study about the 5th agriculture practices, that is the weeding and crop protection. So, weeding. So, what are weeds? Can you see here? I am showing you some of the pictures of the common types of the weeds. These are the weeds. So before going to the process weeding, we should know what are weeds. The weeds are the unwanted plants that grow along with the crops. When we grow the crops, sometimes some undesirable plants grow along with the crop. Those undesirable plants are called as weeds. So there is a need to remove the weeds. Why? Because they compete with the crops for water, minerals and sunlight and therefore reduce the crop yield. So there is a process by which the weeds are removed. So the process of removing weeds are called weeding. Now there are several examples of the weeds like amaranthus, wild oat, grass, chenopodium, etc. In this mind map, I am showing you the different methods of the weeding. Actually, there are two important methods by which the weeding can be done. The one is the manual weeding and the weedicides. So, what do you mean by manual weeding? Here, I am showing you some of the picture of the seed drills. This is also one of the, you can say one of the agricultural implement through which the manual weeding can be done. And the weedicides are the chemicals that can be used for killing the weeds. Now first we will go to the manual weeding. The weeding that can be done with the manually with the help of some agricultural implements such as I am showing you here, the seed drill, this is the trowel, this is the harrow. These are some of the agricultural implements through which the manual weeding can be done. So what are the different advantages of the weeding that we have seen? There are several advantages of the manual weeding, but also it comprises with some of the disadvantages. So what are the disadvantages of the manual weeding? First, it is time consuming. Means what? Since this are being done by the human as well as the cattle or some, you can see some of the agriculture implements, but it is very time consuming because at all these works are being done by the human and there is a limit potential of the human, so it is a time consuming. Second, it leads to accidental removal of desired crops. Means sometimes what is happening, we are going to cut the weeds and unfortunately we cut the desired crops, so it also leads to accidental removal. The third is the implements used such as trowel, harrow, hoe that I have shown you in the earlier slides. These are made up of iron, and we note that when the iron get exposed to the air and the water for long period, they get rusted. So they need regular maintenance to prevent rusting. So these are some of the disadvantages of the manual weeding that provoke us to go to another way of the weeding. So here the another method of the weeding is the weedicides. So what are weedicides? A weedicide is a chemical that is used to destroy weeds. So what are the advantages of using the weedicides in place of the manual weeding? The first one is that weedicide destroys the crops without affecting the crops. Means there is no accidental removal of the desired crops. So what are the different examples of the weedicides? Some of the examples are 2,4-D, Delapon, Metachlor, Cydiazine, etc. Now, this we are talking about the weeds, but sometimes some animals such as rats and insects also damage the crops. So these insects and the rats that attack crops and damage them are called pests. So there are some chemicals through which these pests are also removed, and those chemicals are called pesticides. So pests can be controlled by pesticides, which are poisonous chemicals. Pesticides kill pests as well as their eggs and larvae, but do not affect the plant. That is one of the advantages of using the pesticides. Yes, the pesticide kill the pest, kill the rats, kill the insects, as well as the eggs and larvae, through which they can develop into an individual, but they do not affect the plants. But there are also several disadvantages of using the weedicides and pesticides as well. So what are those? The first is accidental contact with these chemicals may adversely affect the health of farmers. And second, traces of these poisonous chemicals may remain in crop themselves, which can be very harmful to the human life. So these are some of the disadvantages that these methods of the weeding are carrying.